First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Now, tap on Create New Account. Again, click on Create New Account. Enter your first and last name. Then tap on Next. Select your date of birth. Tap on Next again. Now, choose your gender. Enter your mobile number or email address. Then create a strong password for your account. Tap on Next. Then click on I agree. Now, enter the verification code sent to your phone number or email, and then click on Next. And that's it. Your Facebook account is now created. Subscribe for more videos.